हेलो, गुड इवनिंग। मेरा नाम है देवकी और सुपर हिट्स 93.5 रेड एफएम के अहमदाबाद में मैं पिछले 1.5 दशक से काम कर रही हूँ और रेड एफएम पॉडकास्ट पे एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। आई एम डूइंग दिस रियली वंडरफुल ब्यूटिफुल पॉडकास्ट जो अभी अभी शुरू हुआ है। इस मंडे से हमने इसकी शुरुआत की है। अहमदाबाद, बड़ौदा, राजकोट, सूरत में ये रोज आपको 11 से 12 के बीच में सुनने मिलता है। और ये पॉडकास्ट रेड एफएम इंडिया के ऐप पे, रेड एफएम पॉडकास्ट जहां पे अपलोड होते हैं वहां पे तो है ही, उसके साथ साथ ये हर एक अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म्स यानी कि एप्पल पॉडकास्ट पे, जियो सावन पे, गाना पे, स्पॉटिफाई पे, हर जगह पे अवेलेबल है। ये पॉडकास्ट क्या है? ये है एक ऐसी कोशिश कि जो 96 इयर्स ओल्ड धीरूबेन पटेल नाम के हमारे बहुत ही वेल नोन गुजराती ऑथर हैं, उन्होंने अंग्रेजी कविताएं लिखी, 100 कविताएं अबाउट किचन and the feelings of women associated with kitchen, which are not necessarily the housewives feeling, which might be कि I hate being in the kitchen से लेके why nobody has thought about people who walk inside the kitchen to how women feel possessive about their kitchen से लेके तरह तरह की बातें। अब ये सारी कविताएं जो हैं उसके साथ साथ मैं आपके घर की उस औरत के बारे में भी बात करती हूँ जो उस किचन से एसोसिएटेड है, और ये पॉडकास्ट आप सुन सकते हैं। इस पॉडकास्ट के बारे में बात करने के लिए आज मेरे साथ बहुत ही मशहूर अभिनेत्री हैं। हम हिंदी में इसलिए खास बात कर रहे हैं क्योंकि इनके चर्चे सिर्फ गुजरात में नहीं है, इनके चर्चे बिग बॉस तेलुगु तक जा चुके हैं। इनकी बहुत ही बढ़िया हिंदी फिल्म अभी अभी रिलीज हुई है, कागज जिसका नाम है। और अगर आपने अब तक ये नहीं देखी है तो आपको जरूर देखनी चाहिए, बिकॉज इट्स वन ऑफ द वेरी रीसेंट ब्यूटिफुल फिल्म्स विच हैव जस्ट बीन रिलीज्ड। और मोनल गज्जर है इनका नाम, और इनके साथ आज हम मुलाकात करने वाले हैं। मोनल, अगर आप ये देख रही हैं देन आई वुड लव टू एड यू if I can spot you, then I would want to add you. Meanwhile, मैं आपको एक और इंट्रोडक्शन भी देती हूँ। 2019 में मैं, मोनल और सोनू सूद, हम तीनों की सड़कों पे हम जिस तरह से घूमे हैं दोनों, उसके फोटोग्राफ्स और वीडियोस आप मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी देख सकते हैं और मोनल के इंस्टाग्राम पे भी देख सकते हैं। And that's exactly the same time when we both became friends with Sonu Sood also. हमारे लिए सिर्फ एक बढ़िया एक्टर नहीं रहे हैं, but he has also come out as a great human being and a flag bearer of all the people who were really who were who 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 set the standard of humanity in the COVID era. Monal, I'm trying to add you, पर मैं आपका कनेक्शन नहीं देख पा रही हूँ, सो आई डोंट नो इफ योर इंटरनेट इज डल और व्हाट्स द थिंग। यू कैन सी दैट यू आर देयर। एक बार फिर से आई एम सेंडिंग यू द रिक्वेस्ट। Oh, there's so many people saying I love you, Monal. Where is Monal? Add Monal ji. Ari, there she is. Hi, lovely.
Hello.
Now you also started saying hello like hello.
Jai Shri Krishna. Hello, Naru.
So मोनल, मुझे नहीं पता कि कितने लोग जो हमको देख रहे हैं वो जानते हैं कि मोनल भी गुजराती है, मैं भी गुजराती हूँ। તો આઈડિયલી તો અમે બંને જણા ગુજરાતીમાં વાત કરી શકીએ અને અમે જે પોડકાસ્ટની વાત કરીએ છીએ તે પણ ગુજરાતી છે, બટ મોનલ started her career with South Indian movies. So Monal, do you want to? Hey, there's somebody behind you. That's your sister.
That's Himali.
That's your sister.
Yeah, that's Himali.
Monal is also coughing. I'm also coughing. Tane, are you coughing because of sardi khasi what is your reason? તને કેમ ઉધરસ આવે છે?
હમણાં છે ને મેં મોહનથાળ ખાધો.
So મેં પણ બહુ બધી શીંગ ચીકી ખાધી છે ને તલ સાંકળી ખાધી છે ને એટલે મને ઉધરસ છે. પણ હવે સમય એવો થઈ ગયો છે કે કોઈને પણ થોડીક બી ઉધરસ આવે ને એટલે લોકો આમ આજુબાજુ જોવા માંડે છે કે ઓ બાપરે અમને કેમ ઉધરસ આવી છે. એમાં આપણે લાઈવમાં હોઈએ ને ઉધરસ આવે તો ઓર વધારે ટેન્શન થાય કે આખું ગામ વિચારે છે કે કેમ ઉધરસ આવી રહી છે.
Yeah.
वेरी वेल, लेट्स स्विच टू हिंदी, वरना बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग जो आपके फैन हैं वो सोचने लगेंगे कि हम कौन सी भाषा में बात कर रहे हैं. पर
हाँ,
अगर मोनल मुझसे तेलुगु में बात
यहाँ
करने
पे
लगी तो मैं वो भी नहीं समझ पाऊंगी.
हाँ, रिक्वेस्ट नीचे आने लगेगी, अरे हिंदी में बात करो, इंग्लिश में बात करो, हिंदी में बात करो, इंग्लिश में बात करो.
That's
So, yeah.
true, that's true.
Yeah.
तो मोनल बताओ कि तुम्हारी शुरुआत साउथ इंडियन मूवीज से कैसे हुई?
So I was the winner. एक मिर्ची क्वीन बी करके कंपटीशन हुई थी, तो उसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया. उसके बाद उससे डायरेक्टली फैमिना मिस इंडिया में मिली. सो फैमिना मिस इंडिया में जगह नहीं बना पाए, पर साउथ में जगह बन गई. सो फैमिना मिस इंडिया
एक
एंड मिर्ची
गुजराती
क्वीन.
लड़की जब साउथ इंडियन फिल्म करती है तो जबान कैसे सीखती है? शुरू
रट्टा.
शुरू में क्या किया था, मतलब जुगाड़ क्या था ये बताओ.
बाय हार्ट जब बैठ के सब रट्टा मार लो, रट्टा मारो,
रट्टा मारो.
रट्टा. एंड देन आई रियलाइज आई शुड हैव टेकन आर्ट्स. क्यों कॉमर्स लिया मैंने?
कितनी भाषाओं में मोनल ने अब तक फिल्में की हैं?
सो मैंने 6 तेलुगु,
तेलुगु,
तमिल, मलयालम,
मलयालम,
गुजराती, मराठी एंड हिंदी.
हिंदी. That's just amazing. कागज की इतनी सारी तारीफें मिल रही है, आप इतने सारी तारीफ बटोर रहे हैं, that too with such a wonderful co-actor. मुझे याद है कि जब मैं और मोनल न्यूयॉर्क की सड़कों पे घूम रहे थे और मोनल पिज्जा के लिए कभी कभी रोती थी और कभी कभी oh I miss my dog करके रोती थी. and that's the time that she told me that I signed up a film with Satish Kaushik, बैनर, and मैं ये फिल्म करने जा रही हूँ और I'm very excited about this film, and finally the film has come out. What's your feeling?
I'm feeling amazing, and I'm actually normally artist को बुरा लगता है जब सिनेमा में मूवी नहीं आती और OTT पे आती है. I am really happy came on OTT platform because the time is not really great to go to theater, I feel. So
Sure.
OTT platform is like your convenient time. You can just open your screen and you start watching. So I am super
Absolutely.
happy. So whatever happened for the good. I believe in this for sure.
So अगर if we go back तो मुझे याद है, अच्छा जितने भी मोनल के फैंस देख रहे हैं, लेट मी टेल यू, मोनल इज अ ह्यूज पिज्जा फैन. और अगर मोनल भूखी है और अगर उस टाइम पे आपने उसको एक्सपेक्टेड फूड नहीं दिया, oh look at that, don't do endorsements, don't do free endorsements.
Oh, it's not endorsement. Oh, sorry. Let's cut it. It's not endorsement. But just because you said I was hungry and I told my friend to get me pizza. I got a pizza.
लोगों के दिमाग में हीरोइन की एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत ही अलग होती है, बट लेट मी टेल यू, अगर मोनल को खाना नहीं मिला और अगर मोनल पिज्जा एक्सपेक्ट करती है और पिज्जा नहीं मिला तो शी गोस टोटली मैड. मतलब बिल्कुल पागल हो जाती है ये औरत. तो because we are talking about kitchen poems, which is my brand new podcast, और हमारी इसके बारे में बात हुई है. So तुम अपने अनुभव बताओ कि तुम्हारी फर्स्ट किचन एंट्री कैसे हुई? लाइफ में पहली बार किचन में क्या पकाया?
5th standard. I was in 5th standard जब मम्मा साड़ी लेने के लिए सूरत जाती थी और मैं, पापा और मेरी छोटी सिस्टर घर पे रहा करती थी. एंड ऑफ कोर्स कौन कुक करेगा, मैं ही करूंगी. सो आई रिमेम्बर I made it bataka vada.
Oh, that was your first meal. मैंने आज तक कभी नहीं सुना. पहला मील जनरली लोगों का खिचड़ी होता है. Look at this woman. पहला ही bataka vada.
Because that time, you know, that time oil and all these things we have to use. And I Primus पे बनाया था.
Oh,
because
मतलब वो.
Yeah, pump, kichik, yeah. And actually, mama don't let me use so much oil and all, you know, बहुत ज़्यादा oil वगैरह चाहिए. So जब मम्मा
जी जी
जाती थी ना, so me and my father used to
पार्टी
make plan and Papa, there's nobody to stop us. And so I used to, so that was my first time I made it bataka vada. It was so good. My father was super happy. And
अरे
then I
वाह
started doing experiment. The first
हाँ
worst experience I like to share, it was bhindi ki sabji. I don't know how to cook it, so I made it. मैंने पानी डाल दिया था थोड़ा, so that is disaster. Only first time.
अभी बहुत सारे लोग देख रहे होंगे मोनल कि जिनको प्राइमस क्या होता है वो पता ही नहीं होगा तो जरा
हाँ
बता कि
यार.
प्राइमस कैसे यूज होता है
Oh my God. So there's primus के दो तीन प्रकार होते हैं. So
हाँ
एक कैरोसिन से चलता है. कैरोसिन को क्या
हाँ
बोलते हैं भाई इंग्लिश में?
केरोसिन
कैरोसिन
केरोसिन
ना. हाँ. So
हाँ हाँ
कैरोसिन एक स्टव होता है जिसमें वो
हाँ
चाबी वाला होता था. मेरे घर पे चाबी वाला होता था कि
हाँ
चाबी खोलनी होती है, पहले बंद करनी होती है, देन यू हैव टू पंप 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 पंप.
हाँ
फिर खोलने से
करेक्ट
कैरोसिन कम्स आउट एंड देन यू हैव टू
हाँ
फायर इट एंड देन वो आपको ओपन कर देना है, तो फिर उसमें
हाँ
फायर लगती है.
हाँ
एंड
और
उसमें
उसमें उसमें एक आपका ऐसे चपटा सा नाड़ा हो ना वैसे टाइप का एक क्या बोलते हैं
डिवेट
उसे
डिवेटो डिवेटो
हाँ
डिवेटो
गुजराती
जो
में डिबेट क्या है वाट वाट
आई नो. अरे लास्ट तो गुजराती आता
not the
है.
Marathi, not the Marathi word. It is the Gujarati word. Or maybe it's the same thing. What Maharashtrians
We don't
also
know.
say.
You know that there is so many Gujarati words relate to Telugu.
क्या बात कर रही हो बताओ कौन कौन
There's
से
so many like samadhanam. Then
अरे
there's so many words relate. There's so many words relate. I realized when I started talking to these people, um, paristhiti. This is
हाँ
also Telugu word. This is all is Telugu word.
પરિસ્થિતિનું સમાધાન જીવનના બે બે કોન્સ્ટન્ટ જે તારીઓને મારી લાઈફમાં રહ્યા છે
So, yeah. So this is so it comes naturally and it's like, array, they understood. That means this
अच्छा
is
ठीक है
right word.
तुम फिर बताओ देखो तुम तो 6 भाषाओं में काम करती हो और तुम रट्टा मार के फिल्में कर रही हो ठीक है तो अब इसके अंदर जब तुम्हें ये इनविटेशन आया कि तुम तेलुगु बिग बॉस के घर में जाओगी तो बिग बॉस के घर में तो तुम इतना लंबा टाइम रहोगी तो ऑब्वियसली तुमको वो जबान बोलनी पड़ेगी जो पूरा टेलीविजन का ऑडियंस देख रहा है एंड दैट टू
Correct.
यू रीच एट सच अ हाई लेवल कि तुम जीतते जीतते मतलब वहां तक पहुंच गई तो वहां तक तुमने ऑडियंस को कैसे पकड़ के रखा योर सो मेनी डायलॉग्स बिकेम सो पॉपुलर ऑन रील्स एंड टिकटॉक इट जस्ट वेंट वायरल और मुझे एक वर्ड समझ में नहीं आया कि मोनल क्या बोल रही है आई कुड ओनली रीड द एक्सप्रेशंस एंड सी ओ सो क्यूट
So
ओ सो स्वीट
I'll start with the first week. So okay,
ठीक
when this offer came now, so what
हाँ
happened? I know I understand. Okay, 40-50% I understand, but I can't speak. Like
हाँ
Ella Unaru means came
तो
show,
मतलब
them
फ्लोर
came
पे
show
रहते रहते
Majama.
तुम समझने लगी हो फिर बोल नहीं सकती
No, I do speak now.
अच्छा
I
हाँ
speak
नहीं
Telugu
नहीं
now.
तब तब की बात कर रही हूँ
Yeah, so then I
जाने से
don't
पहले
know. So no. I started watching. I watched 3 seasons, second season, watching Telugu movies more. I was having book and I was literally preparing for Big Boss. Can you believe this?
ओ गॉड
I was having translator book, which is
हाँ
has Telugu to Hindi, Hindi to Telugu, like that.
अच्छा
I
इनसाइड की
still have
पहले
that. Rapidex કરીને એક છે book का नाम है Rapidex. Okay.
हाँ
So Telugu, it's a useless book. Never buy that book, please. I you know, practical is the best in the life which I learned after Big
हाँ
Boss.
हाँ
So I went in. I was first week was so chill, masti, maza, and I
हाँ
was super happy because I was using all the
हाँ
English sentence.
हाँ
I don't know.
हाँ
And then second week it start. Okay, they giving
हम्म
started announcement like every 1 hour 2 announcement. Monal Telugulo matladandi. Monal Telugulo matladandi. I was like super scared.
what
And
does
then
that
so much
mean
mess. Oh yeah, తెలుగులో మాట్లాడండి అంటే అంటే మీనింగ్ తెలుగు में बात कीजिए. मोनल तेलुगु में बात कीजिए. मोनल तेलुगु में बात कीजिए.
ओ हाँ
So మాట్లాడండి అంటే बात करो.
हाँ
So and I was like
समझ गई
okay, and
हाँ
still I was trying to अब ऐसा होता है ना कि तेलुगु
मैं
वर्ड्स
कौन सी भाषा
नॉर्मली
में बात
आते हैं.
करूँ साला समझ नहीं आ रहा है
ఇప్పుడు సో ఇప్పుడు మీన్స్ అభి. Okay,
हाँ,
so when I start speaking in Hindi or Gujarati, because I'm in Hyderabad right now, so
हाँ,
immediately Telugu aa jata hai. I don't know. I think it's a
हाँ,
place or what. I
हाँ,
don't know. But I started
हाँ,
loving this language. So
हाँ,
there was so much misunderstanding happen and all. I remember I cried. I was crying and I was requesting Big Boss, and Big Boss is like, Monal Telugu lo maatandi, and I was like, sir, I'm crying. Please, I'm
हाँ,
crying. Please
लोग
understand.
रोते तो अपनी मातृभाषा में ही है, कुछ भी कर लो।
Yeah, when you're making a complaint, you don't know how to talk, how to complain in Telugu. So it was so difficult. I'm telling you, they given punishment to write, do this, utak badak.
हाँ,
So many things happen. But after fifth week, I was like ready with my bang because fourth week I got a fever, 103, 104. Okay,
right.
stress level is super high. There's so many things, my health gone on toes, and I was like, dude, I have to be here. I have to learn it.
हम्म,
Simple word. I started asking what is the meaning, and I started using.
हम्म,
Seventh week though, there is no announcement for a Monal. It's like rarely. Whenever I sing Hindi song, then announcement
हम्म,
it comes. Otherwise, there's
हम्म.
no announcement. I was feeling like,
Very good.
yeah.
We were also feeling like, oh my good you girl, making it so big there. So what was the kitchen experience? You were telling me कि मैं तुमको बताऊंगी मेरे बिग बॉस के घर का kitchen experience.
Oh my God. So basically, we are Gujarati, right? And
Right.
this for these people is we are North Indian. So South
हाँ,
Indian food and North Indian food are so different. Okay, we eat dosa
absolutely.
in the night. These people have a dosa in the breakfast. So that's
हाँ,
these people have a sambar rice and we eat dal bhat, Gujarati dal
हाँ,
or Punjabi dal.
correct, correct.
So initially there's so many people, so nobody want to get in the kitchen. And I
हम्म,
love to cook. So everybody
अच्छा.
started loving my dal and all. But
हम्म,
the lesser people, the elimination के बाद जब कम लोग होते रहे थे, कम हो रहे थे,
हम्म,
अब लोग की डिमांड बढ़ रही थी कि प्लीज नॉर्थ इंडियन दाल मत बनाना, ऑनियन मत
हम्म,
डालना. एंड आई वाज
हम्म.
लाइक, अरे 5-6 वीक तक तो मजे से खा रहे थे, अब क्या हो गया तुमको?
हाँ,
Seriously. And then, nobody want to cook in the morning breakfast because सुबह उठ के
हम्म.
किसी को किचन में जाना अच्छा नहीं लगता.
जल्दी
So
कौन
even I
उठेगा?
don't,
हाँ,
हाँ, even जल्दी उठने की बात नहीं है. अभी सबका ब्रेकफास्ट बना, मतलब everybody want to have a tea and sit आराम से, ये सब, right? So everybody want me to in the kitchen and do morning roti or morning breakfast. I used to
हम्म,
cook puri in the morning, sabji in the morning. So I saw so many times people stop eating what I'm cooking. Okay,
हम्म,
whatever I cook, it just get waste. They don't eat because
हम्म,
other person will make egg curry inside. So it's getting so
हम्म,
much waste, and I can't take waste. Okay.
हम्म,
So there's so much kitchen fights. Okay, there's so many kitchen fights. And then I said, I'm not gonna get in kitchen. Then they still want me to cook breakfast. I was like, I
हम्म.
don't know South Indian breakfast because I never made dosa in my life. Like, they make very nice thin dosa in the
I made
morning. I was
batata
like,
vada.
I made banana vada. I made dal fry. I'll make. Oh, so then I was like very sorted. Please,
हाँ,
it's like whoever is gonna eat, then I'll make it. Otherwise, I don't want to waste it. And there's like, no, Monal, you do roti, you do
हाँ,
puri, you do this.
हाँ,
And then the lesser people. So everybody started. Oh, I also know how to do cooking. In beginning, nobody was like, I don't know cooking. Nobody get in the kitchen.
हाँ.
When the lesser people, they want to, show their skills, and there's so much drama in the house.
अच्छा
But
ये बताओ
overall,
कि जब 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 कोई बहुत प्यार से खाना पकाता है और सामने वाला इंसान बहुत ही चिक 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 करता है, फस करता है कि अरे ये नमक ज्यादा है, अरे ये वाली दाल मुझे पसंद नहीं, व्हाट इज द फीलिंग? क्या क्या दिल में क्या आता है?
अरे खा रहे हैं ना, तब तक प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. I started making people who was not eating onion. Avinash
हम्म,
don't like onion, so he was allergic or something. I started
हम्म,
making dal separately for him. Okay,
हम्म,
even curry what I'm making, I'll make without onion. I started doing that.
हम्म.
My problem, if they don't want to eat, why do I'm cooking? I don't want waste. It's okay if it is bad.
शायद 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 ये फीलिंग दुनिया भर में जो जो औरतें खाना पकाती है उन सबकी होगी कि
है
यार
ना?
तुम खाना वेस्ट मत करो, डाइनिंग टेबल पे कंप्लेन मत करो ना. I had a friend who used to say that you should मतलब नाशुक्रे नहीं होने चाहिए.
सही बात.
People who get to eat food, they should be really thankful कि अभी तो मिला है, अगर मिला ही नहीं है तो तुम मिला ही नहीं होता तो क्या करते? नहीं पसंद
Yeah,
आता तो
right.
खुद पका लो.
There's so and I can't take waste because we know while COVID, there's so many people didn't have food in the time and we are wasting so much food. And
Yeah.
and then what is like, because I'm the one person who's complaining all the time. So it is going so bad. And I was like, I'm not gonna get in the kitchen. I will oh, do you know that I used to wash bathroom in the Big Boss house, do sweeping in the Big Boss house because I don't want to do kitchen because I don't want to
What is
see that,
bathroom?
bathroom,
Bathroom. Oh, okay. Okay.
bathroom.
Okay.
And
Wow.
so yeah, there's so many things they
But
didn't
to
show,
our
like you
house,
said.
you are a very simple girl from a very simple household who has worked very hard to be who you are today. So I don't
Yeah,
think it was difficult for you, you know. It is
it
generally
was
difficult
difficult.
for people. No, I'm saying that you still have the tendency of a homely girl, you know, that you have your roots very sorted, because
Yeah,
we have stayed in the same hotel and traveled enough together, and you have shared enough of your life stories with me for me to realize that you are the
yeah.
rags to riches story. You have worked very hard to come from a very humble background to become such a big star. But I am sure a lot of people who come into these big boss houses have a lot of tantrum. I think
They do, they
you
do,
had the. I
they
think
do.
people loved you because they found you very real and very relatable.
Yeah, I guess. I guess,
Making
and
mistakes.
because one more thing, Devki, which I felt people got related to me because they see me like I am one of them, part.
Yeah.
Even coming out of the other stage, he's trying to speak in the language, and people is
Correct.
trying to
It's the effort.
misunderstand you, portray it in a different way. So they were seeing the difference, Yeah, I'm being
Yeah.
myself, um, being a part like I'm an actress that I completely forgot, or honestly I forgot in a Big Boss house what is my profession. I was
Absolutely.
literally being a part as like a house member.
Huh.
So I think that is the reason people got connected too much. And I think there's one thing I said, when we were in New
Huh.
York,
Huh.
Devki, I love to have a big family, right? And this is
Yeah.
the same feelings I shared with Nagarjuna sir when I was entering the house. And when
Yeah.
14th week when I came out, I have like a biggest family
Huge
right
family.
now.
Now you have a family across India, and which is just so beautiful. There are so many people showering love to you
It's just
here and
not
saying that
India,
they loved
Devki.
your
It's
film.
it's everywhere. It's from overseas. Like a few days back, we were on some channel from US,
Hmm.
TV
Hmm.
Asia, okay, and
Hmm.
they were
Yeah.
connecting me with all my fans who want to talk to me. So from
Yeah.
Italy, Ireland, Virginia, Canada, from so many places, I got a call and I was
Yeah.
like Monal, don't feel bad. We love you
Hmm.
and we are from all over the world. So don't worry, you are a huge family now. And I was like, yay.
That's really lovely. I think, Monal, what you said is also very important, because the podcast that we are doing, Kitchen Poems, is also expressing the same thing, that when like, जैसे तुम गुजरात की थी पर तुम तेलुगु बिग बॉस में गई और लोग समझ पाए कि तुम अलग जगह से आई हो, तो तुम एफर्ट डाल रही हो. एक लड़की भी जब शादी करके नए घर पे जाती है तो वो भी वो एफर्ट डालती है. शायद उसकी दाल आपकी माँ की दाल जैसी नहीं होती, या उसकी सब्जी आपकी खुद की ट्रेडिशन. कहीं पे भिंडी राउंड कटती है, कहीं पे भिंडी लंबी कटती है, कहीं पे टिंडे
Right,
राउंड कटते हैं, कहीं पे लंबे कटते हैं. तो तुम राउंड क्यों नहीं काटती, तुम लंबे क्यों काटती हो? ये झगड़ा करने से ज्यादा अच्छा है कि तुम अपने बहू को पता हो कि हमारे यहाँ टिंडे ना ऐसे कटते हैं from the beginning, rather than waiting for her to make a mistake and then fight with her. If you can
right.
accept a television, somebody as a star on television, I'm sure you can welcome your own daughter-in-law in your own house, or your own wife cooking with all the love for you. So
Right.
all these feelings are there in the Kitchen Poem podcast. And Monal, I really insist that jare pan time male, you should listen to the podcast. I'm sure you're going to love it.
And guys, I like to tell you about Devki now. So Devki is a Gujarati queen, Gujarati Rani. Rani matlab queen, okay? And she's one of the best RJ. And oh my God, people get literally scared of Devki, but she's not like that. People don't know about that, you know. He looks like a fighter, like उसके सामने कैसे बात करे, you know how to talk to Devki, ऐसा हो जाता है. She's super sweet person. I like to tell you because I was also having the same feeling until unless I spent a really good time in US with her, and I
Almost
come
a
to know.
week, yeah.
Yeah, so I come to know a real different Devki than people know that. And this is completely, this is the, it's like coins two side. Like one side is like when people know Devki and other side which I know the Devki. So that's two side of Devki. And and Devki is so many people's inspiration in Gujarat. Literally, it's the voice of Gujarat means Devki. So yeah, I'm so
Nisha,
grateful to share this
thank
screen with
you. Thank
you.
you. It's always lovely to talk to you. Monal, tell me quickly, which are the new projects coming up?
So my two Gujarati movies on release. One is
Hmm.
Vikino Varghodo, one is Peti Pack.
Hmm.
Then South, I'm listening a couple of scripts since my recently I did one song
Hmm.
on a movie called Aludu Adrush. Ramba Urvashi Menika and the Nikaltiste Nenika. So meaning I'll tell you what is the meaning of
Huh.
that. Ramba Urvashi
Urvashi
Menaka
Menka, that I understood.
अंदरनी मतलब
Huh.
सबको मिला के कलसी कलसी मतलब मिला के
Huh.
मेन का सो सबको मिला के मैं बनी
Oh, so
and
sweet.
and there is another line Katrina Karina Sunny Leone अंदर ना sister please believe me they are my sister please believe me so this is the
Sunny
lyrics
Leone ने बहन बनाई है
so basically this song is super duper hit Devki. In
Absolutely, I
six
know.
days 5 days we have a 5 million crossed in lyrical video on YouTube and
Absolutely stunning.
people are loving and they're literally going to watch movie because of my song. I'm super happy, so grateful all my Padda family.
That's so
So
lovely. I insist everybody please go and view the song. और ये दो गुजराती फिल्में तो ऑलरेडी मोनल की आ रही हैं and there are also some Hindi surprises that are going to happen soon. Maybe she doesn't want to announce it just now, but very soon you will get to hear. And Monal has a wonderful and lovely dog.
Vicky,
Yes. छे क्या है आजू बाजू में छे? Can you
હું हैदराबाद आई
introduce?
છું ना आज
Oh, you were in Hyderabad. Sorry, I forgot. Okay. So
હું હમણાં જ
you were in
हैदराबाद आई
Hyderabad.
પહોંચી
Very good. Are you shooting there in Hyderabad?
tomorrow I have a shoot.
Tomorrow you have a shoot in Hyderabad. So we will not disturb your beautiful beauty sleep. Monal has to finish her sleep quota. Or she also, that is also another thing that kind of, you know, just kind of gets her to. So these are the
No, but
secrets that I
Devki,
can tell you about Monal.
I'll tell you one thing. After Big Boss, I don't get angry at all. My patience level increase in a different level. I don't
You
get
met
angry at
you
all.
met such nutcases. I'm sure your patience level has increased.
I remember there was one incident and my mama was expecting after that she will get up and there's a patience test in
Huh,
14th week, okay,
huh.
and there was one contestant she tried to provoke me so much. My mom, my aunt, everybody was expecting she'll get up and she's gonna fight like anything. I got up,
Awesome. Hmm.
I went to her other side and I cried like a hell, but I didn't say a word to her. And my mom is like, why did you cry so much? You didn't say a word because I learned something, this is not always giving back. It's
Yeah.
sometime to, understand the situation, why that other person is doing like that and
Silence
what
is a
you have
bigger
to do.
weapon.
I think that's what I learned from Big Boss, and I'm so grateful it changed my life so much.
All the best to you, and thank you so much for coming live with us. Everybody who is watching, please follow Red FM podcast, and you get to hear every language podcast possible on this platform. हम बहुत सारे original content आपके लिए लेके आए हैं, which you would enjoy. And please make sure that हमारी हमारी रंभा उर्वशी मेनका, सनी लियोनी और कटरीना और करीना की बहन को भी आप फॉलो करते रहिए और उसकी गुजराती फिल्में भी देखिए, स्पेशली रेवा, जिसको गुजराती फिल्म बेस्ट गुजराती फीचर का नेशनल अवार्ड मिला है, एंड दिस इज अ नेशनल अवार्ड फिल्म की एक्ट्रेस who is in front of you, who you saw in
Okay,
Big Boss Telugu,
let
where I think you would be the only person जिसकी फिल्म नेशनल अवार्ड में गई हो और जो इंसान बिग बॉस में हो पूरे इंडिया में, यू वुड बी द ओनली पर्सन.
I'm grateful. I'm grateful. And I like to tell you one thing about the Devki is actor. She's a very big theater actor, amazing actor. I forgot to mention, and she also got a national award for her performance on theater. She is like amazing. Oh, she's a multi-talented personality, guys. I'm telling you, go to her page
इनको लगेगा
on
I'm paying
Instagram.
you to say all of this.
No. I'm telling you, just write Aarti Devki on Google and you'll come to know so many things about Devki. अरे ये छोटी मोटी पर्सनालिटी नहीं है भाई साहब, देखो आप हम किससे बात कर रहे हैं.
Poradu. What is Poradu?
I don't know, just missed it. Po means go. Po means go.
So they're telling me to get lost.
No. So
Everybody
there is
fun, and thank you so much for watching. And Monal, all the best. I hope you have a lovely shooting in Hyderabad, and see you very soon at the desert place round the corner of your house. And I'll see you there. The last time when I saw you. God bless you, darling.
Jai Shri Krishna. Bye.
Jai Shri Krishna. Bye bye. Everybody who is watching, please make sure that you like our Instagram page, Instagram account of Red FM Podcast, और आप रेड एफ एम इंडिया का ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए जहां पे ये सारे पॉडकास्ट आपको सुनने मिलेंगे. आप किसी भी भाषा में ये पॉडकास्ट सुन सकते हैं. बहुत सारी अलग अलग वर्नाक्युलर लैंग्वेजेस में आपके फेवरेट पॉडकास्ट आपको लाइफ, लव, लेसन्स, Bollywood, cricket, whatever you like, you are going to find it on Red FM Podcast. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye bye. Good night.